I'ma head out then.
But you know, yeah, I kind of knew it was coming. At least it ain't too hot, it ain't too cold.
I know, it's a beautiful day today. Sure. Man, they must have let the gates open early today.
Yeah, I think they did. I didn't even wait around 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Catch me in the streets and all that acting like you tough. Hey, get your ass fucked up.
Let them know what you got here, man.
Got a 6 Sddn 18s, 6 order to the 2244. Powered by 3 salt 12 cans. We've got salt 500.4, 200.2.
Yeah, man. Man, y'all be sure to give him a follow, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it was good seeing you, man.
Good to see you, too.
I didn't count on a good demo from you.
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so I appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.